We will be going over the leg muscles lesson plan today. For the learning objectives, the students will be able to identify the main muscles of the leg, and they will be able to explain how the muscles and bones of the leg work together. Before class, make sure you have all the materials ready for the activities. You can save time by cutting half of the paper towel rolls, which is going to be one per student, in half into 2 equal parts. These are going to be used for the fibula and the tibia bones. Then you can hole punch 2 holes into one end of each cardboard tube. For the relevance questions, you will ask questions to the students and give them a chance to answer. Then you will go over the answers providing the lesson plan with them. For example, the first sets of questions are, have you ever run long distances? Did you feel a change in your leg, and what was that change? Give the students about 3 minutes to answer before going over the answers provided in the lesson plan for you. For the formative pre-assessment, you will ask questions to the students to get an idea of what they know on the subject before starting the activity. For example, what do they know about the leg muscles and the bones, whether they can name any parts of the leg, and are there any activities that they enjoy that makes them use their legs? For the critical thinking section, you will pass out the diagram of the leg muscles to the students. Then you will go over the diagram with them. Follow the lesson plans at all times to make sure you're not missing any sections. Also, make sure to go over the nutritional component of the critical thinking section, as this is very important. For the guided practice section, students will engage in interactive activities. For building of the bones, you will show students a diagram of the components of the legs. They will refer to it frequently during their hands-on activity to make sure they know how to correctly create the leg model. Have each student label one paper towel roll as a femur bone and the other tubes as the tibia and fibula. Have each student slide yarn or wire through holes so that the tibia and fibula sandwich the femur roll. This will resemble a knee joint. For the building and attaching of the muscles, again show the diagram of the leg muscles to the students and refer to it frequently so that they know how to correctly create the leg model with attached muscles. You will help the students blow up both their balloons with the balloon inflator about 1/3 of the way and press the air to the center of each balloon, leaving lots of unused balloons on both ends. Have each student label their muscles, quadriceps and calf. Have each student tie each end of the quadriceps muscle balloon to each end of the femur bone. This muscle will be at the front of the femur bone. Have each student repeat the previous step with the calf muscle by tying the upper end of the calf muscle to the upper part of the tibia and fibula and the bottom end of the calf muscle to the bottom of the tibia and fibula. For the closing reflection, the students will think about what they learned today and answer questions. You can ask them questions to see if they understood how the leg muscles help with movement and whether they know specific actions the leg muscles help them do.